How to host Twitter Spaces on Android and iOS devices. As Twitter said, Spaces is a new way to have live audio conversations on Twitter. We've been testing and building this in the open with Twitter Spaces and your feedback so we get it right. Twitter Spaces is a voice-based platform where users can talk or listen to discussions where two or more people are talking live. Android users can finally use Twitter Spaces. The official announcement. Twitter has now officially acknowledged that Android users will be included in the Spaces beta. While there's no clarity on who will get access to it, you may want to sign up to be a beta tester for the app and fill up the Spaces early access form to have a better chance. We will reach out to you for more information on Spaces Android when fully make it accessible for everyone. How to host Twitter Spaces on Android. First, update your Twitter app from Play Store. Afterward, click the tweet icon and select Spaces. Next, name your space and hit Start Your Space. Once you've created your space, you can invite other users to speak. Twitter Spaces currently lets you host a space and invite up to 10 other speakers. On iOS, tap on the tweet icon at the bottom right, click on the space icon. Next, select the category of people you want in your space, everyone, people you follow, or only people you invite. Once you have selected a category, go ahead and hit Start Your Space. Twitter Space competing with the origin of audio chat idea platform Clubhouse, Facebook, Telegram and many others. Facebook already testing new feature of audio-video live chatting platform Hotline while they testing it in the beta. Discord and Telegram they already had the functionality of the audio chat feature. Twitter Space to double the heat they now thinking to buy Clubhouse for $4 billion as spokesperson referred. Let us wait and see where the audio chat hype takes on the coming few days. That will very interesting for us. That is it. Thank you for watching. See you again and don't forget to like the video.